Lenses. The lens is a transparent medium refracts light. Lenses are used in medical eyeglasses, microscopes, and telescopes. The types of lenses. Number 1, convex lens. Number 2, concave lens. Convex lens, it is a transparent optical piece which is thick at its center and less thick at the tips. Convex lens is converging lens. It collects light rays falling on it. Concave lens, it is a transparent optical piece which is thin at its center and more thickness at the tips. Concave lens is called diverging lens. It separates light rays that falls on it. Concepts related to the lenses. Number 1, center of curvature. Center of curvature. It is the center of the sphere. Optical center. It is a point inside the lens that lies on the principal axis of the lens. Radius of curvature, half the diameter of the sphere. The line between the two centers of curvature is called principal axis. Any line passes by optical center, any line passes by optical center except the principal axis is known as secondary axis. Line between the two centers of curvature, principal axis, point inside the lens, optical center. Any line passes by optical center except the principal axis is known as secondary axis. Focus. Focus, it is a point of collection of refracted rays. It is a point of collection of refracted light rays. It is real in convex lens, while it is virtual in concave lens. The focus in convex lens is real, while the focus in concave lens is virtual. The distance between focus and optical center is known as focal length. Focal length, it is the distance between optical center of the lens and the principal focus. Give reason. The lens has two centers of curvature because the lens consists of two spherical surfaces. The lens has two centers of curvature because the lens consists of two spherical surfaces. The image formed by convex lens can be received on screen because it is real image. The image formed by convex lens is real image because it can be received on screen. A piece of paper can be burned by convex lens because convex lens converge the parallel rays of sunlight at one point. Rules for determining the direction of light rays. First case, convex lens. Number 1. If the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, it refracts from the lens passing through the focus. So the first case, if the incident light ray is parallel to the principal axis, it refracts from the lens passing through the focus. The second case, if the incident light ray passes through the focus, it refracts from the lens parallel to the principal axis. Second case, if the light ray passes through the focus of the lens, it refracts parallel to the principal axis. Third case, if the light ray passes through the optical center of the lens, it passes without refraction. The third case, if the incident ray passes through the optical center of the lens, it passes without refraction. Compare between concave lens and convex lens. Concave lens diverge light rays. Convex lens converge light rays. Concave lens thin at center and thick at tips. Convex lens thick at center and thin at tips. Compare between real image and virtual image. Real image and virtual image. Real image received on screen. Virtual image cannot be received on screen. Real image inverted, virtual image erect. The image formed by concave lens. The image formed by concave lens is erect, virtual, and diminished. The image formed by concave lens is erect, virtual, and diminished. That's all for today.